I'll be showing you step by step how to change the text color in the Shopify refresh theme. So let's start things off from our Shopify dashboard, and on the left hand side menu, I'll navigate to Online Store. This is going to open up the themes section automatically, and I can currently see the refresh theme is installed here. To go and customize the text color, I'll head to Customize. This is going to open up a preview of my refresh theme here so I can see all the changes being made. On the left-hand side menu, I'm going to go to Theme Settings. And under Theme Settings, I'm going to click on Colors. And here I can see all the color schemes used in my store. These are going to be used throughout. So changing the color schemes here, if I click into any, is going to edit all of the elements in the store that use this specific color scheme. For example, if I go and edit scheme 1, I could maybe change the text color. Maybe I want it to be a bright red. And I can see this is applied to the specific elements that use this color scheme. So I change this back to the blue. We can see it's being reset. And I can do this for any of the different color schemes here. Let's say for this one, I want to make the button label, or actually let's change the background to a red and the overall background to a red as well. So that's easy to see. I can see this changed my footer here and my header bar. Now you may be wondering, how do you actually know which sections are using which color scheme? You can do so by clicking into any of the elements. So if I click onto the product page, I go to the sections. Let's take a look at the title here. I actually do need to click up to the product information section, and I can see it uses the color scheme 1. And this is going to make it a little easier to edit. As for example, if I want to edit the scheme 1, I can make the button background color red. I can also change which color scheme this uses, and I can do so by clicking change and then selecting which one I want to use. And to note, you can also add basically as many color schemes as you want by heading to settings. Under colors, I can add a new scheme. Let's say for this one, I want the text to be a bright. So if I go into my product information again, and I change the color scheme to scheme 7, I can see it's now been updated. And so at first, it might take a second to realize which sections are using which color scheme. We can easily create new ones and start applying them one by one here. And essentially, you can go and change the text color for anything in your store by first selecting the element and then going and changing the color scheme that is used. And with that, we also get the ability to customize things such as the outline or the background color. To know to finalize any of these changes, you need to hit save in the top right as well. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many dropshipping cost of goods sold integrations. It's going to include all the fees from your cost of goods sold to your transaction fees. And it's going to give you tons of different details, metrics, and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions and truly understand your store's performance. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below for the Shopify app listing. You could also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. But there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check it out for yourself. So this concludes this short and sweet video on how to change the text color in your Shopify refresh theme. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but I have tons of Shopify tutorials, so make sure you check the channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.